Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Buki Pakazan. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you what are tenant enhance and how you can do the tenant enhance. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to go to the company, clients books, and then I'm switching from my company to the clients books, and this is now I'm in my clients books, right? So I want to enter 1099, for example, so see about 1099s. So what I need to do is, as you know, 1099 is an independent. They are 1099s are independent contractors, right? So they don't get any benefit from the company like insurance and whatever, medical and whatever, dental, medical insurance. When we go to expenses, right? So here you can see the vendor columns and contractors columns. So for example, if you want to add vendors, so in the vendor column there are contractors as well, 1099s as well. I want to show you this in this lesson, right? How you figure out, how you track these are 1099s or not, or simple vendors or 1099s, right? So as you can see that these are the things, these are the total vendors, right? They are the supplies. You purchase the supplies or whatever things from them, and in this there are contractors as well. So in this list there are vendors and contractors, but how you will figure it out that that person, that individual is my 1099 or my vendor, right? So as you can see here, it's 1099 tracking. If it is not active in your list, so you need to go to here, and then there are lots of you have to check out this. For example, this is not available, check out, tick mark, so you have to do this. So it will tell you that that person, that individual or company is your 1099 or not. For example, if I see here, so they are not, right, ladies and gentlemen, they are not. So what I'm going to do here is I want to track them, right? Like 1099s, they are 1099s, right? So if I go here, for example, if I say abacus, I want to edit them. For example, I go to abacus. This is my 1099, for example, right? So how will I figure it out? I will go to edit, right? And then if I will do, if this checkout check, it means that that's 1099, right? That's my 1099. Got it. So whenever you import vendors or whenever you do this, if they are contractors as well, so you can import contractors and vendors both at the same time. But if you want to make them contractors, so you have to tick mark this, check mark this, right? Check mark on. Make sure the check mark is on. So then it will be your 1099, right? So they are my 1099s, and when I go to the tick mark is here, right? This is the tick mark which I was talking about. Tick mark this. If you want to make it like I want to make it like 50 or 1099 trackings, okay. So they are my 1099s, right? Tick marks ones are 1099. It is my 1099, it is my 1099, it is my 1099, right? For example, I want to add vendor, new vendor, right? And that is my currency, whatever is currency. For example, I am giving them in the Canadian dollars, whatever the normally is US dollars. Display name is, company name is, vendor display name is whatever you want to say. For example, it is Mahmood, right? Mahmood is the vendor name. So you don't need to add the first name, last name, or whatever. So if name person on checks is Mahmood, and you can add the email address if you want, and country as well. For example, if you are looking out like USA, United States, so you can add the country as well if you want report address, email address, right? So what you need to do, just need to click if you want to make it 1099. If it is not 1099, it is a simple vendor, so you have to check. Don't click check mark. So it is my 1099, for example. You can add the account number of him, right? But it is, you can also later on, right? You can also write the opening balance of this track 99 individual, right? So that's how now it will become my 1099. When I go here, Mahmood is my new 1099. As I already told you how to figure it out now. And when I go to vendors, it is say that Mahmood is also your 1099. Understand? So it when you see the tick mark here in 1099 tracking, so you will make sure, again I'm saying, make sure this is on. Right? So it means that they are 1099s. Other than that, they are not 1099s. Understand? So that's how you track the 1099s. Are they, my vendors are 10 contractors or not, right? They are 1099s or not, or simple vendors, right? I hope you understood this lesson. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.